Hello everyone, welcome to our new Infometry knowledge series video. In this series, we are going to cover how to manage and maintain your connection in the INFOFISCUS native apps. We have developed pre-built no-code solutions called INFOFISCUS for our Snowflake users, which is now available on the Snowflake marketplace. With its pre-built capabilities, it eliminates the need of an ETL and data pipeline. Whereas user can simply go to Snowflake Marketplace, search for Infometry or INFOFISCUS, and they will get to see the list of products developed by Infometry. We have developed analytics on finance and sales, which enables integration with applications like Salesforce, NetSuite, Marketo, and other cloud ERP and CRMs. As well as we have pre-built connectors for NetSuite and Marketo, in which we leverage connectivity through ODBC, JDBC, and API and support enterprise level data processing. So now let's get started. So how can we create a connection? So with our app on the Snowflake, select the environment from your Snowflake platform, then go to source connection. Click on create source connection, then enter the credentials like connection name, consumer secret, refresh token, etc. After entering the credentials, test the connection. If connection is successful, just save the connection after that. Please note that credentials may change based on the app that you are trying to connect. Once connection is created, you can view it in the existing source connection. From the connection list, you can edit the connection based on your needs. Once the connection credentials are updated, test the connection and then update the credentials. From creating a pipeline, for creating a pipeline, you can click on the pipeline menu, select create new pipeline, enter the pipeline name, select source connection, and save it. If you want to visit your existing pipeline, you can go to existing pipeline menu to see the list of data pipelines that have been created. From the existing pipeline page, you can always update it by selecting a pipeline from the list and updating it from the same page. Now let's jump on to creating the schedule for your data pipelines. For that, select pipeline schedule menu, enter the details like schedule interval, time zone, date, time, etc. and you can schedule it. View the existing schedule by clicking on the existing schedule menu and you will see the list of schedule created. You can always edit, delete, pause, or resume a schedule by selecting it from here. After selecting a schedule and clicking on edit, you will be able to see or you'll be able to access the page wherein you can edit the schedule whenever that is required. After editing, click on the update to change to come into the effect. You can always check the schedule status like which one is completed, running, or upcoming, what time it has started, what time is it ended from this page itself. Our app is capable of offering intuitive out-of-the-box dashboard from Snowflake, which includes industry standard KPIs like profit and loss statement, liquidity analysis, balance sheet, etc. The advantages of using Infometry NetSuite InfoFiscus native app is it's fast and easy to set up. The data processing happens in the near real time. It has almost zero downtime. It is saving tons of man hours on the development and setting up the integration and analytics. It is 100% accurate and offer you a near real-time workflow management. We'll be bringing in more knowledge series videos on the native app in the future. Keep tuning in. Thank you and have a great day.